What's up guys? Welcome back to our video. Today, we are showing our best-selling granite fountain in recent years. These individual columnar granite fountains are very popular in the United States, Canada, and Europe. They don't like overly complicated designs. The simpler the design, the more they like it. But countries in the Middle East, they really like fountains with more sophisticated designs. They prefer sculpted fountains with more curves and larger size. Anyway, with so many hot-selling styles, there's always one for you. Next, let's take a look at the granite benches.
Let's take a look at the granite bench. Our bench come in many different shapes and finishes. Some are polished, others were simply cut and carved. Our granite come in different colors. As the picture shows, always one option fit for you. The garden, no matter from the material choice, quality control, energy saving, and natural beauty it brings. Each of our Japanese-style garden lanterns represents the symmetry and beauty found in traditional Japanese gardens. Japanese style make sure our look never go out of style. Also, we have other designs of Japanese stone lanterns. You can come to our homepage, magicstonegarden.com and alibaba.com to check out.